Good morning. Welcome back our mathematics class. Hope you all are fine at home. Today I am going to teach mathematics of class 2nd, chapter 9, measurement of capacity. Before starting this chapter, I just want to remind you the chapter 7, measurement of length, and chapter 8, measurement of mass. I have already teach you. In these chapters, we will learn about the object, how we measure these object, and measurement of mass, how we measure the things those are not measuring. And there are three things also, like liquid things, how we measure these things, how we weigh these things. We are not weight these things, we are not measuring the things with the help of scale or measuring tape. With these we need a containers. The amount of liquid a container can hold, that is called capacity. So today we are going to teach, I am going to teach measurement of capacity. So the standard unit of capacity is liter. Firstly I show you, see these things. These are the measuring cup. In these cups there is a written 10 ml, 20 ml and 30 ml. So means this cup capacity is 30 ml. In the same way, see this cup also, this is also measuring cup, 10 ml, 20 ml and 30 ml. The capacity of this cup is again 30 ml. So there are so many things like this and water bottles, the liquid quantity of this container, it is also mentioned. When you are going to the market to buy the oil or other things like as cold drink bottles, Limca and this Mirinda, whatever, these bottles has already written the 200 ml, 300 ml, 500 ml, 1 liter, 2 liter or 3 liters, whatever. So firstly, the standard unit of capacity is liter. Standard unit of capacity is liter and milliliter. Liter is the large liquid quantity we measure, then we use liter. This is the symbol of liter and this is the symbol of milliliter. Small quantity we measure in the milliliter, like as I have already shown you this cup, this is shown the small quantity of liter, that is milliliter, and those are the large quantity of liquid, it is measuring by liters. So to convert liters into milliliters, how we convert? Same, the process was same like as measurement of mass. In 1 kilogram there are 1000 gram. In the same way, here is in 1 liter there is 1000 milliliter, or 1000 milliliter make 1 liter. Again I repeat, in 1 liter there are 1000 milliliter and 1000 milliliter make 1 liter. To convert liter into milliliter, so how we convert? To convert 2 liter into milliliter, so how we convert? We already know in 1 liter there are 1000 milliliter. So 2 liter multiplied by this 1000 milliliter. So our answer is 2000 milliliter. Is it clear? In the same way, exercise 9.1, 6 liter, 12 liter, those liters you have to multiply with 1000 milliliter and your answer will come. Then to convert liter and milliliter into milliliter. So convert 14 liter 50 milliliter into milliliter. So for that, firstly we convert this liter into milliliter and add the number of milliliter. We already know in 1 liter there is 1000 milliliter. So 14 liter multiply with 1000 milliliter plus 50 ml, because this milliliter we are going to add. Then 14,000 milliliter plus 50 milliliter. So our answer is 14,050 milliliter. With the help of this process, this method, you have to solve your exercise 9.2. Then add. Then add the sum. Firstly write the symbol liter and milliliter. 3 liter 45 milliliter, again 3 liter 928 milliliter. So add it. 8 plus 5 is 13. We write 3 here, 1 will be carried on the next digit. 4 or 1 5, 5 or 2 7. 9 plus 0 is 9. Then 3 plus 3 is 6. So our answer is 6 liter 973 milliliter. In the same way, subtraction. Firstly write the symbol liter and milliliter and write 850 milliliter, 5 liter 300 milliliter. Then subtract it. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. And 7 minus 2 is, 7 minus 5 is 2. So our answer is 2 liter 550. This is our answer. With this method you have to solve these sums also. Hope you understood all the sums and practice at your home. Thanks you. Have a nice day.